राम कहाँ छ? Where is Ram? Where is Ram? राम कहाँ छ? Where is Ram? Ram कोठामा छ. Ram is in the room. Ram is in the room. Ram कोठामा छ. Ram is in the room. ऊ बैठक कोठामा छ. He is in the living room. He is in the living room. ऊ बैठक कोठामा छ. He is in the living room. ऊ के गर्दैछ? What is he doing? What is he doing? ऊ के गर्दैछ? What is he doing? ऊ टिभी हेरिरहेको छ. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. ऊ टिभी हेरिरहेको छ. He is watching TV. हाम्रो घर कहाँ छ? Where is our house? Where is our house? हाम्रो घर कहाँ छ? Where is our house? हाम्रो घर अलि पर छ. Our house is a little further. Our house is little further. हाम्रो घर अलि पर छ. Our house is a little further. कुकुर कहाँ छ? Where is the dog? Where is the dog? कुकुर कहाँ छ? Where is the dog? कुकुर बगैँचामा छ. The dog is in the garden. The dog is in the garden. कुकुर बगैँचामा छ. The dog is in the garden. कुकुर के गर्दैछ? What is the dog doing? What is the dog doing? कुकुर के गर्दैछ? What is the dog doing? कुकुर खेलिरहेको छ. The dog is playing. The dog is playing. कुकुर खेलिरहेको छ. The dog is playing. कुकुर सुतिरहेको छ. The dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. कुकुर सुतिरहेको छ. उहाँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is he? Where is he? उहाँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is he? उनी कहाँ छिन्? Where is she? Where is she? उनी कहाँ छिन्? Where is she? उनी भान्सामा छिन्. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. उनी भान्सामा छिन्. She is in the kitchen. उनी के गर्दैछिन्? What is she doing? What is she doing? उनी के गर्दैछिन्? What is she doing? उनी दिउँसोको खाना पकाउँदैछिन्. She is cooking lunch. She is cooking lunch. उनी दिउँसोको खाना पकाउँदैछिन्. She is cooking lunch. तिम्रो भाइ बहिनी कहाँ छन्? Where are your brothers and sisters? Where are your brothers and sisters? तिम्रो भाइ बहिनी कहाँ छन्? Where are your brothers and sisters? उनीहरू स्कुल गएका छन्. They have gone to school. They have gone to school. उनीहरू स्कुल गएका छन्. They have gone to school. उनीहरू कोठामा पढ्दैछन्. They are studying in the room. They are studying in the room. उनीहरू कोठामा पढिरहेका छन्. They are studying in the room. उनीहरू के गर्दैछन्? What are they doing? What are they doing? उनीहरू के गर्दैछन्? What are they doing? उनीहरू कार्टुन हेरिरहेका छन्. They are watching cartoon. They are watching cartoon. उनीहरू कार्टुन हेरिरहेका छन्. They are watching cartoon. उहाँ चाहिँ को हो? Who is he? Who is he? उहाँ चाहिँ को हो? Who is he? ऊ मेरो भाइ हो. He is my brother. He is my brother. ऊ मेरो भाइ हो. He is my brother. उहाँको नाम के हो? What is his name? What is his name? उहाँको नाम के हो? What is his name? उसको नाम करण हो. His name is Karan. His name is Karan. उसको नाम करण हो. His name is Karan. स्कुल कहाँ छ? Where is the school? Where is the school? स्कुल कहाँ छ? Where is the school? स्कुल त्यो घरको पछाडि छ. The school is behind that house. The school is behind that house. स्कुल त्यो घरको पछाडि छ. The school is behind that house. त्यो कति टाढा छ? How far is that? How far is that? त्यो कति टाढा छ? How far is that? स्कुल त्यो चोकमा छ. The school is in that square. The school is in that square. स्कुल त्यो चोकमा छ. The school is in that square. यहाँ कतै बैंक छ? Is there or any bank here? यहाँ कतै बैंक छ? Is there or any bank here? Is there or any bank here? यहाँ कतै बैंक छ? बैंक त्यो भवनमा छ. The bank is in that building. The bank is in that building. Bank त्यो भवनमा छ. The bank is in that building. किराना पसल कहाँ छ? Where is the grocery store? Where is the grocery store? किराना पसल कहाँ छ? Where is the grocery store? किराना पसल त्यो घरको छेउमा छ. The grocery store is next to that house. The grocery store is next to that house. किराना पसल त्यो घरको छेउमा छ. The grocery store is next to that house. तरकारी बजार कहाँ छ? Where is the vegetable market? Where is the vegetable market? तरकारी बजार कहाँ छ? Where is the vegetable market? यो बस पार्क नजिकै छ. It's near the bus park. It's near the bus park. यो बस पार्कको नजिकै छ. It's near the bus park. सुनिता कहाँ छिन्? Where is Sunita? Where is Sunita? सुनिता कहाँ छिन्? Where is Sunita? उनी एयरपोर्टमा छिन्. She is at the airport. She is at the airport. उनी एयरपोर्टमा छिन्. She is at the airport. उनी घरको पछाडि छिन्. She is at the back of the house. Back of the house. उनी घरको पछाडि छिन्. She is at the back of the house. उनी के गर्दै छिन्? What is she doing? What is she doing? उनी के गर्दै छिन्? What is she doing? उनी खेलिरहेकी छिन्. She is playing. She is playing. उनी खेलिरहेकी छिन्. She is playing. तिम्रो आज के गर्ने प्लान छ? What do you plan to do today? What do you plan to do today? तिम्रो आजको प्लान के छ? What do you plan to do today? Today, what do you plan to do? आज तिम्रो के गर्ने प्लान छ? म पक्का छैन. I am not sure. I am not sure. म पक्का छैन अथवा म निश्चित छैन. I am not sure. ऊ कहिले फर्किनेछ? When will he be back? When will he be back? ऊ कहिले फर्किनेछ? When will he be back? ऊ भोलि आउनेछ. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. ऊ भोलि आउनेछ. He will come tomorrow. ऊ 10 मिनेटमा फर्किनेछ. He will back in 10 minutes. He will back in 10 minutes. ऊ 10 मिनेटमा फर्किनेछ. He will back in 10 minutes. यो कति बजे सुरु हुन्छ? What time does it start? What time does it start? यो कति बजे सुरु हुन्छ? What time does it start? यो 10 बजे सुरु हुन्छ. It starts at 10 o'clock. It starts at 10 o'clock. यो 10 बजे सुरु हुन्छ. It starts at 10 o'clock. मलाई गलत नसम्झनुस्. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मलाई गलत नसम्झनुस्. Don't get me wrong. यसले तिमीलाई फाइदा नै गर्नेछ. It will do you good. It will do you good. यसले तिमीलाई फाइदा नै गर्नेछ. It will do you good. यो कुनै ठुलो कुरा होइन. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. यो कुनै ठुलो कुरा होइन. It's no big deal. समस्याको कारण नबन्नुस्. Don't cause trouble. Don't cause trouble. समस्याको कारण नबन्नुस्. Don't cause trouble. सधैँको जस्तै. Same age always. Same age always. सधैँको जस्तै. Same age always. यो तिमीमा भर पर्छ. It's up to you. It's up to you. यो तिमीमा भर पर्छ. It's up to you. के तिमी मजाक गर्दैछौ? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? के तिमी मजाक गर्दैछौ? Are you kidding? म साँच्चै नै आभारी छु. I am really grateful. I'm really grateful. म साँच्चै नै आभारी छु. I'm really grateful. जति सक्दो चाँडो. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. जति सक्दो चाँडो. As soon as possible. उहाँको मनोबल नघटाउनुस्. Don't pull her down. Don't pull her down. उहाँको मनोबल नघटाउनुस्. Don't pull her down. आफ्नो औकातमा बस्नुस्. Stay within your limit. Stay within your limit. आफ्नो औकातमा बस्नुस्. Stay within your limit. के छ? What's up? What's up? के छ? What's up? उसले तिमीलाई किन थप्पड हान्यो? Why did he slap you? Why did he slap you? उसले तिमीलाई किन थप्पड हान्यो? Why did he slap you? बाहिर पर्खनुस् है. Wait outside. Wait outside. बाहिर पर्खनुस् है. Wait outside. यो नराम्रो हुनेछ. It will go bad. It will go bad. यो नराम्रो हुनेछ. It will go bad. हजुर धेरै दयालु हुनुहुन्छ. So kind of you. So kind of you. हजुर धेरै दयालु हुनुहुन्छ. So kind of you. मलाई लाज लागिरहेको छ. I'm feeling shy. I'm feeling shy. मलाई लाज लागिरहेको छ. I'm feeling shy. आफ्नो मुख सम्हाल्नुहोस्. Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. आफ्नो मुख सम्हाल्नुहोस्. Mind your tongue. हामी धेरै रमाइलो गर्यौं. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. हामी धेरै रमाइलो गर्यौं. We had a lot of fun. यसलाई रुमालले पुछ. Wipe it with the hanky. Wipe it with the hanky. यसलाई रुमालले पुछ. Wipe it with the hanky. ऊ भरोसा योग्य छैन. He is not reliable. He is not reliable. ऊ भरोसा योग्य छैन. He is not reliable. तिम्रो खुट्टा नघिसार. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. तिम्रो खुट्टा नघिसार. Don't drag your feet. मलाई मूर्ख नबनाउनुस्. Don't make me fool. Don't make me fool. मलाई मूर्ख नबनाउनुस्. Don't make me fool. हजुरलाई अहिले कस्तो महसुस हुँदैछ? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? हजुरलाई अहिले कस्तो महसुस हुँदैछ? How do you feel now? यो हजुरको भ्रम हो. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. यो हजुरको भ्रम हो. It's your illusion. मलाई थाहा पाउन दिनुस्. Let me know. Let me know. मलाई थाहा पाउन दिनुस्. Let me know. मलाई सत्य भन्नुस्. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. मलाई सत्य भन्नुस्. Tell me the truth. राम्रो व्यवहार गर्नुस्. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. राम्रो व्यवहार गर्नुस्. Behave yourself. हजुर कुन चाहनुहुन्छ? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? हजुर कुन चाहनुहुन्छ? Which one do you want? अरु सुत्नुस् अथवा अलिबेर अरु सुत. अलिबेर अरु सुत. Get some sleep. Get some sleep. अरु अलिबेर सुत. Get some sleep. म मेरो गल्ती स्वीकार्छु. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. म मेरो गल्ती स्वीकार्छु. I admit my mistake. त्यस्तो किन भन्नुभयो? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? त्यस्तो किन भन्नुभयो? Why did you say that? मलाई बदनाम नगर्नुस्. Don't defame me. Don't defame me. मलाई बदनाम नगर्नुस्. Don't defame me. थोरै अरु लिनुस्. Have a little more. Have a little more. थोरै अरु लिनुस्. Have a little more. म जे पनि गर्न सक्छु. I can do anything. I can do anything. म जे पनि गर्न सक्छु. I can do anything. म बाटोमा छु. I am on the way. I'm on the way. म बाटोमा छु. I am on the way. कस्तो लाजमर्दो कुरा. What a shame. What a shame. कस्तो लाजमर्दो कुरा. What a shame. मैले त्यस्तो कहिल्यै भनेन. I never said that. I never said that. मैले त्यस्तो कहिल्यै भनेन. I never said that. हजुरको आवाज काटिँदैछ. Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. हजुरको आवाज काटिँदैछ. Your voice is breaking up. कोसँग पैसा छ? Who has money? Who has money? कोसँग पैसा छ? Who has money? यो हजुरको लागि हो. This is for you. This is for you. यो हजुरको लागि हो. This is for you. ढोकामा को छ? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? ढोकामा को छ? Who is at the door? मेरो फोन फुटेको छ. My phone is broken. My phone is broken. मेरो फोन फुटेको छ. My phone is broken. घरमै रहनु. Be at home. Be at home. घरमै रहनु. Be at home. कलमले लेख्नुस्. Write with pen. Write with pen. कलमले लेख्नुस्. Write with pen. यो मेरो अन्तिम निर्णय हो. It's my final decision. It's my final decision. यो मेरो अन्तिम निर्णय हो. It's my final decision.